guys, that's 248 here. I'm doing a video about at my nanny's, and my nanny has a dog. It's a breed between a terrier and a shanky or something. I don't know. It's really annoying. I know don't know what it's called, so but the name of it is called Teddy. But when he's older, we call him Ted. And we're going to do a trick with some food for him. Is this meat stuff for dogs? No. So let's get into this. Teddy? Up, around, down, lie down. Yes! 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 I don't catch it! Never! Yes! He's done it! Best dog ever! No, he isn't. My dog is. Let me pick you up. Teddy, lick goodbye. Lick goodbye. Yeah, he didn't. Right, please like, subscribe, and peace, and bye.